Hi, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram story background color, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. And after that, if I just create a story here, for example, if I just create a story, right? And here, if I select one of the photo, right? So let's, for example, if I select a photo here, let me show you. Yeah, we'll just go, let's say if I select this photo, and here if I want to change the color I cannot change it, right? But there's a way. You have to just click on this, right? And you have to select any other color. For example, I want this color, and if I just click and hold, it will turn into that color. But you know, the photo is not visible, it covers the photo and you just cannot erase it, right? So basically what you have to do, you have to just go to the sticker icon here and you have to select a photo. So I will just click on here and I will import a photo or whichever the photo which is previously available on my phone, like this. And after that I can just zoom it out, and if you just click on, it will available in this way. So this is super easy, guys. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.